A sailing vessel underway should show side lights and stern light. In a sailing vessel of less than 20 meters, 65.6 feet, the side lights and stern light can be combined in one lantern and carried at or near the top of the mast. The sailing vessel, in addition to the side lights and stern light, shall carry two all-round lights, the lower being green and the upper being red. If the side lights are combined in one lantern, then these two all-round lights are not required. For a sailing vessel of less than 7 meters, or 23 feet in length, if the sailing vessel lights are not possible, then it can show a lantern or a handheld torch. Similarly, if the sailing vessel lights are not possible for vessel under oars, then it can show a lantern or a handheld torch. When a vessel is under sail and also propelled by machinery at the same time, then it should show a cone with apex downwards at a position where it can best be seen.